In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Microsoft OneNote to Word. If you use OneNote to capture ideas, meeting notes, or research, and want to turn those pages into a Word document you can edit, share, or format for printing, this guide will walk you through the simplest approach and a reliable fallback. Start on a Windows PC using OneNote for Microsoft 365 or OneNote 2016. Open OneNote and navigate to the exact content you want to export, either a single page or an entire section. When you're ready, go to the File menu and choose Export. In the Export Current area, decide whether you want to export just the current page or the whole section. Exporting a page is great for one-off notes, while exporting a section gathers multiple pages into a single Word document so everything stays together. Next, set the format to Word document, listed as .docx. This is the modern Word format and is the one you should use for best compatibility and editing. Click Export, choose where to save the file, give it a clear name you'll recognize later, and select Save. OneNote will convert your notes into a Word document that opens directly in Microsoft Word, ready for further editing, styling, or sharing. A quick note on compatibility. Exporting to older Word formats like .doc has been retired. If you see only .docx as an option, that's expected and recommended, since it preserves more modern features. After exporting, open the Word file and review the layout. Text, headings, checklists, and tables usually transfer well. Drawings, handwritten ink, and inserted images typically appear as images in Word. If you exported a whole section, your pages will be organized in one document, making it easy to scroll through, add a table of contents, or adjust page breaks. This is a good time to apply word styles for consistent formatting, fix spacing, and set margins if you plan to print. If your version of OneNote doesn't include export to Word, there's a straightforward alternative. Open the page, press Ctrl+A to select everything, then Ctrl+C to copy. Create a new Word document and press Ctrl+V to paste. You may need to tidy up spacing or headings afterward. In Word, you can use the paste options, such as Keep Source Formatting or Merge Formatting, to get the look you prefer, and then adjust images or lists as needed. That's it. With these steps, you can quickly move your notes from OneNote to Word and keep working without a hitch.